Imagine our planet millions of years ago, a place of pristine beauty. Volcanoes dotted the landscape, spewing lava that formed new land. The air was clean and fresh, water flowed clear and pure, carving out valleys and shaping the land. Life flourished everywhere. Dinosaurs, some massive, others small and agile, ruled the land. In the oceans, giant reptiles swam through coral reefs teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. The skies were filled with pterosaurs, soaring with remarkable grace. This was Earth before humans, a world ruled by the forces of nature, a planet brimming with life in all its forms. From the rich tapestry of life, our ancestors emerged. Early humans lived in harmony with nature. They were nomads, moving from place to place in search of food and shelter. Their impact on the environment was minimal. They hunted and gathered, relying on their knowledge of the land and its seasons. These early humans were just one species among millions, their story yet to be fully written. Little did they know that their descendants would one day reshape the planet. The discovery of fire was a pivotal moment. It provided warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food. This innovation also marked the beginning of humanity's growing influence on the natural world. The agricultural revolution marked a turning point in human history and for the planet. Humans learned to cultivate crops and domesticate animals. This newfound ability to grow food led to permanent settlements and the rise of civilizations. Forests were cleared to make way for farmland. Animals were domesticated not only for food, but also for labor. The impact of humans on the environment was becoming more pronounced. As populations grew, so did the demand for land and resources. This led to the expansion of human settlements and further encroachment into natural habitats. The balance of nature, meticulously maintained for millennia, was starting to shift. Section 4. The Industrial Age and its Aftermath. The Industrial Revolution brought about unprecedented change. Machines replaced manual labor, factories sprung up, and cities swelled with people. The discovery of fossil fuels provided new sources of energy, but at a cost. The burning of coal and oil released harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. The air quality in cities deteriorated, and the planet began to warm. The demand for raw materials led to widespread mining and deforestation, further degrading ecosystems and pushing species towards extinction. The pace of change accelerated at an alarming rate. Technological advancements, while improving human lives in many ways, also intensified our impact on the planet. The delicate balance of Earth's systems was being disrupted. Section 5. A Glimmer of Hope, the Conservation Movement. As the consequences of unchecked industrialization and resource consumption became impossible to ignore, a new awareness emerged. People began to recognize the invaluable interconnectedness of all living things. The conservation movement gained momentum, advocating for the protection of natural resources and endangered species. National parks and wildlife reserves were established, providing sanctuary for threatened plants and animals. Scientists dedicated themselves to studying the complex workings of the planet, raising awareness about the challenges it faced. Efforts to reduce pollution and promote sustainability gained traction. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power offered cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. People began to adopt more sustainable practices in their daily lives, from reducing waste to conserving energy. Section 6. Our Shared Future, a Call to Action. We stand at a crossroads. The future of our planet and all life that calls it home hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine the course of our planet's future. We have the power to choose a different path, a path of sustainability and harmony. By embracing renewable energy, sustainable practices, and a deep respect for the natural world, we can create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The Earth has been through much in its long history. It has witnessed the rise and fall of species, weathered ice ages and heat waves. It will continue to evolve long after we are gone. The question is, will we be part of its story of resilience and renewal? The time for action is now. Let us choose wisely, for the sake of our planet and for generations to come.